Welcome to CYDI, where education is more than a journey through textbooks. It's a powerful force driving our community upliftment. Our rallying cry, reimagine education. In our labs, students aren't just learning. They're actively creating, shaping their destinies. Whether it's multimedia, industrial design, coding, or the vibrant world of our fashion lab, we're molding futures. Picture this: the rhythm of dreams in our recording studio, the sustainability labs planting seeds of change, and the fashion lab stitching self-expression into the very fabric of our community. Here's the magic. Our scholars aren't even merely students. They're community leaders in the making. YS3 mentorship and youth build aren't just programs. They're transformative journeys, guiding our graduates toward contracts with industry giants. And for those who find joy on the courts, we've got basketball and volleyball. CYDI High School isn't a school, it's a vibrant community where dreams soar and education becomes the catalyst for empowerment. So step into CYDI, where education isn't confined to classrooms, but actively shapes our labs, studios, and courts. We're not just reimagining education, we're building a brighter, more empowered future for everyone. Welcome to a place where every element weaves together for the success of our community.